Thank you very much. My name's Eric Kimmerling. I'm an adjunct welding instructor here at Ivy Tech, actually just 2 buildings over. This is my Innovation Day project, Weld Better. And I just wanted to answer one question that, as far as the Ivy Tech goals are, is how might we make a capstone class for the welding program align more closely with local industry? And as I teach that class, and this is my 3rd semester teaching it, and as I was teaching it, the answer is pretty obvious to me as an engineer. We designed and built fixturing for that class. So we currently, whenever I have a project that someone welds, in this case it's a very simple project, it has 2 pieces that they weld together. You can see that they just weld it right here, cut a piece of pipe, fabricate a little flat piece, drill some holes in it. I grade it on a flat piece of paper. So this is currently what we use. I'll lay blocks on there. I'll put, it's difficult to see, but I'll lay blocks on there that are with the lines here to kind of show that this is a conforming piece. It's either non-conforming or conforming. And this right here, and this view is conforming, and this view right here is conforming. So basically when I grade something, this is not something that you can sell. So when you weld something, the whole idea behind teaching the class that down there is like, hey, you want to weld something that's good enough to sell. And out in industry, that's what we do. Obviously, we can't sell anything like this. You would never sell a part. I'm an engineer in aerospace. You'd never sell a part that you lay down on a flat piece of paper and put it on a jet engine. But there's a real simple solution to that. So grading on a scale drawing works for now, but out in industry it doesn't. Customer, it's always verified by a fixture. So this is proposed fixture for that particular project right there. It's real simple. You lay it in there, it fits. That's how they do it in industry. That's how I propose doing it for this class here. It has 3 pins that locate the holes and a profile. And I've modeled this one in 3D Onshape software, which
30 seconds.
Which, if here you can see how the completed student project fits into there, and there's the proposed inspection fixture that we have. So I believe this aligns with strategic goal number 4, and it's part of increasing the work and learning experience of the welding program. And I'd like to get 6 fixtures for this project. I estimate, just because of how much I work with this is about a $500 fixture. Design and buying fixtures for the rest of the class I estimate to be approximately $15,900.
Time is done.